Hi John, how you going today?
Good, yourself?
Yeah, good thanks.
That's okay.
So we've got this classic boat over here. Can you tell us a bit about it?
Yeah, it's something a little bit different, this one. So this is an elderly gentleman that loves his timber boats, sort of his pride and joy. So we've just recently pulled out an old Vista engine, which we can have a look at that shortly. So we're actually doing a repower on it with the D120 Volvo. So
Okay.
something a bit different.
So tell us about the boat a bit and the owner.
So the owner's a bit eccentric, we'd probably call him. So what he's actually done is it had an aft cabin on the rear.
Oh yeah.
Jokingly told me that he cut the rear off with the chainsaw and custom made that himself.
Wow.
Chainsaw normally from a customer means, yeah, chisels and whatnot. He was dead set serious with the chainsaw. So he is custom doing, obviously this gunnel here. We've had him come in and sort of put a bit of advice on what he wants done to his boat, and we're happy to work in with each customer.
Okay.
It's their personal pride and joy, we can work in around that. So.
Yep.
But no, it'll be a good, something different. It's not like your standard cruiser. It's something a little bit different that, yeah, we'll show a bit of promise on. So.
What age is it?
This is about 73-year-old.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Oh, that's a good year.
is it?
Yes, it is.
not 1973. I'm talking 73
Oh,
years old.
73 years old. Okay.
Yeah. No, so she's got
Much older than me.
Got a bit of a story to her. So little things we're going to modernise, like LED lighting, just floor lighting, just pretty it up, modern up a little bit, make it a bit more comfortable, but still keep its character. So
Fantastic.
that'll be a good little project for him.
So I might have a little look inside. Do you want to
Yeah,
lead
let's
us
have
up?
a look. Let's have a look. So the gentleman's actually come in himself. We offered this to him, obviously being a senior guy, he had his own beliefs of what he wanted to sort out. So he's cleaning all the bilge, all the rest of it. Things like the dash, obviously things have changed now. All your late model motors actually come in a switch panel arrangement.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to get acrylic cut panels with the boat name and just sort of make it a bit custom for him.
A bit more modernised.
Yeah, a bit more modernised.
Yep.
Obviously, engine foot pin to where the new motor will mount in is slightly different. So we've got fabricators that can make up 90-degree brackets, secure engine mounting, the nitty-gritty gearbox ratios, prop pitch and alignment. We can organise that. We've got prop calculations that do all that. So virtually when she goes to water, it'll be a sea trial and many years of boating. So.
Okay. And she's being well looked done after in this shed.
Yeah, so this is one good thing we can offer in this shed is this is a lock-up shed. So Boatworks themselves actually do offer undercover storage. We can offer complete lock-up. It does come for a fee. It is very attractive, especially in this sort of install. We can literally jump on this to save the customer labour by removing all the tooling, coming back and forth. We can literally leave it in situ, step off the boat, do what we need to do, come back to it, and we know everything's still there. So
Nice.
peace of mind for the owner too. Like his pride and joy is in a lock-up workshop.
Yeah,
so,
something.
but we offer that on the large scale sort of stuff. Normally this side of thing, fit-out stuffs, repowers, anything more than just a standard service or repair, we'll offer this shed at a premium. So,
Okay.
but no,
Fantastic.
it makes it easy for everyone.
Has he got a name for this boat?
It's Rosie.
Rosie.
It is.
Beautiful. Well, thanks for showing us Rosie.
Not a problem
She's
anytime.
gorgeous.
Any questions,
And,
give us a bell.
Thanks for your time.
No worries, thank you.
See you.
See
Bye.
ya.